You are welcome in today's tutorial. So today we are going to treat logo design. So today tutorial we are going to see the theoretical aspect of logo design. By the next video we are going to see the practical aspect of logo design, where we will taught everything by some of the logo design, how to design them using your Pixel Lab app for smartphone users. Alright, so in today's tutorial, we're going to see logo design. But before we continue with this tutorial, please, if this is your first time coming under my channel or seeing my video, please subscribe to this channel. You are welcome to this channel. Subscribe, like, share my videos. If you have any question, do well to ask and drop it under the comment section. I have many videos under graphic design in this channel. I drop video every day on graphic design. So if this is your first time, do well to check other videos under graphic design in my channel. Alright, so in today's tutorial we are going to see logo design. We are going to treat logo design, the introductory part of logo design. So what is a logo design? We have to know that a logo design is just more than that symbol that we see. Some people will see a symbol and the word just say there is a logo. It's beyond that. A logo is beyond that. So a logo is just the face of a brand representing its identity, value and message. So it's not just that simple, but it must represent identity, value, and it must show a message. It must communicate a message. So before you call a symbol a logo, then that symbol must represent a brand or identity, or it will have value, or it will communicate a message. So this is the criteria for a symbol to be called a logo. Now for effective logo design, so an effective logo design communicates a company's unique personality, so and it distinguishes it from competitors and leaving a lasting impression on customers. So these are the criteria or the things we have to know about logo. Okay, then the next thing we are going to treat now is a key objective of logo design. There are some key objectives that are objective of logo design. The first one is uniqueness. So your logo has to be unique. You don't have to copy a logo from another company or another person and you call it your own logo. No, it must be unique. That's the objective of logo design. It must be unique. Then the next one, that is the next key objective of logo design, is that it must be recognizable. So you have to recognize it so people can recognize it. Then another one is memorability. It has to be people can remember it. Another one is relevance. So it has to communicate. It must be relevant. So that's the key objective of logo design. Alright, the next thing we are going to see is the importance of logo design. Now, what are the importance of logo design? Logo design help us to enhance brand recognition. That is number one importance of logo design. It will enhance brand recognition, whereby when you see a logo, you will now know that this is YouTube logo or this is Facebook logo. So whenever you see YouTube logo, you already know that this is YouTube. So without anybody telling you or without anybody calling it, you already know that this is a logo. So it enhances brand recognition. Alright, so another importance of logo design is that it builds customer loyalty. So logo design helps to build customer loyalty. Another importance is that it differentiates from competitors. So logo design helps to differentiate from competitors. For instance, whenever you see YouTube logo, you know that this is already YouTube logo. So you cannot drag it with anybody, or nobody can come and say that YouTube logo is now Google's logo. So it's not possible, because logo helps to differentiate from competitors. You know how to compete with any other person about it. So a logo design just is unique to somebody. You don't have to drag it with any other person. because your own is unique to you. So then another thing is that it creates emotional connection. So logo design helps to create emotional what connection. There are some logo that you see that even if you don't know what the app is used for, let's take for instance the logo of a app. Even if you don't know what the app is used for, you already know that with this logo you already know a little about the app. And again, for instance, if you have logo for people that paint house, if you see their logo you already know that this is people that paint house, so you don't need to be told about the brand. So it elevates brand what value, and that's another importance. It elevates what brand value. Now there are principles in logo design. The first one is simplicity. So simplicity is the key to creating an effective logo. So your logo has to be simple. That's just it. You don't have to be complex before you say that it's a logo. No, it has to be what's very simple. Then a simple design, there are some certain things you have to know about a simple design. When you have a simple logo design, it will be easily recognizable. People will recognize it very well. It will be scalable for various mediums, remain legible in different sizes, and avoid cluster and confusion. So these are the criteria for you to say that this your logo is very simple. I say that it will be easily recognizable, scalable for various medium, remain legible for different sizes, avoid cluster and confusion. Now the next principle that we are going to treat is clarity. So what is clarity? Now clarity ensures your logo communicates its intended message, and also clarity ensures that your logo is easy to understand, and it's also clarity also helps to avoid what misinterpretation. You cannot misinterpret any logo. So that is another principle that you have to abide whenever you are designing a logo. It must be clear, so that it will ensure that that logo will communicate the message that it was intended for. Now the next thing is that this clarity also will ensure that it also ensure that there is a consistent visual element. Then another principle is color theory. So color theory play a crucial role in logo design, very important. Therefore you have to choose color that invoke what emotions, and you have said that color invoke emotions, so you have to choose color that what evoke emotion and association. And you have to consider color psychology, and I have treated color psychology under this channel. So if you have not watched the video, just go under my channel, you'll see a video called where I treated color psychology. And the next thing is that this color theory ensure that color contrast and accessibility. So, and when choosing color for your logo design, you have to choose, let me say, 2 to 3 color for simplicity. So you don't have to apply many color for your logo. Just choose 2 to 3 or even 4 for simplicity. And we have said that the logo has to be what simple. Now there is a way we choose background in our logo design. So how to choose the right background. So, and there are some factors we have to consider. The first one is the brand identity. You have to know the brand what identity. So align background with brand personality, value and message. So you have to align your background with the brand what personality and the value and the message. Then another one, which is the factor we have to consider for us to choose the right background for our logo design, is color scheme. So color scheme ensure background complements or contrast with logo color, so that the logo color and the background will not be the same. It will not make sense. Then another one is visibility. So you have to ensure that logo visibility on various backgrounds. So your logo has to be visible on various background. So the background you are going to use for your logo, make sure that that logo is very visible. Then another one is scalability. So you have to choose background that scale well for different sizes and resolution. So that's an important factor that we have to consider. The next one is context. We have to consider where the logo will be used. So that's the context you have to consider when the logo will be used. For example, if it will be used for business card, for billboard, or for website. So these are the introduction to logo design. By the next video, we are going to design a TS logo using our Pixel Lab app, and I have made an introduction to this Pixel Lab. If you have not watched the video, just go on my channel, you will see the introduction to Pixel Lab. Watch it so it will help you that when we start making use of it, you will not be confused. Alright, thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video. I appreciate you for mapping out your time to watch this video. By the next video, like I said before, we are going to treat TS logo. We are going to see how to design TS logo. Alright, thank you for watching. Please do well to share this video to your friends so that they can watch and learn. Thank you, and see you in the next video.